What's happening? Just hanging out in Tai Lopez's house, in his garage, the famous garage with all the books and the cars in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles. There's 2 Lamborghinis, from an Aventador to 2 Rolls Royces, the Ghost and the Dawn. And you know, I want to make this video real quickly and just let you guys know it is vital to have a mentor. And you know, if you don't have access to a mentor, you just don't have a mentor. So at a very young age, I was introduced to the mentorship world, where I got introduced to someone who could, you know, roll out the red carpet for me, and I could just, you know, articulate them and emulate them and just become a student of their system. And you know, what you gotta understand is find someone who has what you want. Okay, do what they've done, say what they've said, and you can only get what they get all the time. So it's sad that some of us, you know, this is what we get inspired by, but it's cool. You can get inspired by that, you can get inspired by this, you can get inspired by the entire house, you can get inspired by the individual, but most importantly, in today's world, this is what people get inspired by. And I got inspired by that. I've been personally developed since I've been 8 years old. For the past 16 years, I've just learned from the best of the best. And you know, I just want you to understand that, you know, find a mentor, do what they do, say what they say. You can always get what they get all the time. And just make sure you become a student and stay humble. You know, sometimes when your mentor becomes familiar to you, familiarity breeds contempt. So the more you see someone, the less you want to hear from them. And the less you see someone, the more you want to hear from them. So your mentor starts to become a friend to you, and then eventually he's in your circle or she's in your circle. And what starts to happen is, then it becomes like, okay, cool, that mentor is just a normal person. No, that mentor took you out from where you were and literally articulated them. They carved out the path, they rolled out the red carpet, and they taught you the A, B's, and C's to success. Always stay humble, always stay coachable, always stay trainable, and most importantly, remember, when the student is ready, the teacher will show up. So once again, coming to you live from Tai Lopez garage, Beverly Hills, Los Angeles. You know, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, and let's make sure you tag someone below or share this video with everyone who could get inspired. You're a mentor to someone. I want you to tag someone below who inspires you. Thank them for mentoring you. Thank them for showing you the ropes of life, because here's the deal. Wealthiest people in the world, they have mentors. They hire the best of the best people to teach them. From people who want to be fit, they hire a private trainer. People want to become successful, they hire someone who is, you know, financially literate about success. They know how to run money, they know how to invest, they know how to save, etc. Find someone in each factor in your life and literally become a student. Learn from them so you can have full mastery to your life.